this even more. Like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another cleaning video. So in today's video we are going to be starting off with a load of laundry. We had some whites that needed to be washed, so of course I'm going to be adding some bleach. And then this is my favorite fabric softener. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it smells so good. And then I've been trying to get rid of the rest of this Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, so we will be using that in this load as well.
I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight.
Okay y'all, so on to the fun part. It's time to declutter this closet. This is the kids' closet. So I love to declutter. I love to get rid of things. I love having a minimal amount of stuff. So we haven't been able to get the kids a dresser yet. So in the meantime, I did have their dad go and get these bins from Walmart. They were probably about $10 a piece. So obviously I'm getting rid of the clothes that couldn't fit, and then also getting rid of the clothes that did fit but they were out of season. That way we can make room for their new winter clothes. So there was a bag of clothes that was like absolute like trash, and then there was another bag of clothing that was in good condition, so we are going to donate it. There is a drop box near our house where we could just drop the bag off, so that's what I plan on doing with the bag of good clothes. So it was time to get ready to straighten up the kids' room. I did very light cleaning this day in their room. Basically just picking up the toys and vacuuming, and I did also take off their bedding so I can go ahead and wash it. I try to wash their bedding once a week. Sometimes it really just depends. With Mama, my 2-year-old, she is potty training, so I find myself having to like wash their bedding, well at least hers, more often. So if you are new here, my name is Dana. I am a 25-year-old stay-at-home mom of 2. I have a 4-year-old son. His name is Jana, and I have a 2-year-old daughter, and her name is Janae. So I did want to mention that just so y'all can know a little bit about me. And also from the layout in their room, there's 2 beds and a playpen, so it could look like, if you're new here, that I have 3 kids, but I don't. Janae, we put her in her playpen to sleep because she's still just not at that. She's just not ready yet to sleep in her own bed, you know, getting up and playing around and stuff. So she does sleep in her playpen for now.
There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are 'cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, 'cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do.
So moving on to the bathroom, I'm using the Clorox all-purpose cleaner, and then I'm going to be using the Scour Daddy scrubbing pad to scrub the tub out. I didn't clean the shower walls this time. I do them like every other time I clean the bathroom. But I did fill a bucket up with some hot water, and then I added the Mr. Clean Gain Scented multi-purpose cleaner to go ahead and wipe the sink down in the toilet. So I do use a different microfiber cloth for the toilet. Someone did comment under my videos and let me know that they use a different rag, so I started doing that as well when I clean our bathroom.
It was so easy when we met. Future ahead of us, making memories. Our only hope is to forget and keep that passage closed for centuries. 'Cause I can't take it anymore. Forgetting what I'm fighting for, and your words just stop. Don't hold me back, don't hold me back. Just let me go, just let me go. I need to get it off my mind before it devours all my energy. So hard to leave it all behind. I write my pen down in a melody. My heart is just another melody. So before I get over you, I'm gonna sing it now. Here's another melody. You can't.
So I'm using this Pledge multi-surface spray. I love this spray. I love how it leaves the surfaces looking just so streak-free and just clean looking. So I'm using that to wipe down the lamp and then also our desk. So I did have a goal last month to get my channel monetized by November 1st. Well, November 1st has came and passed, and I did not get my channel monetized, which is all right because I did have a goal and then I had plans, like steps to reach that goal, and I did not follow through. So it's okay. I still do believe that my channel will get monetized. I do want my channel to be monetized for my family, just have some source of income. As y'all know, like being a stay-at-home mom, it can be hard, but I do want to say I appreciate everyone who has been subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, commenting. I really appreciate y'all so much. So moving on, y'all, to day 2 of getting everything together. I did wash the kids' clothes off camera and I'm getting ready to go ahead and fold them. So if anybody was wondering, I do use the Purex, I think it's Purex Baby Soft laundry detergent, basically just dye-free detergent for sensitive skin. My 2-year-old has been showing signs that she has sensitive skin, so I did switch just, to avoid irritation. So like I said, they don't have a dresser yet, so I'm not putting like the shirts with the shirts and the pants with the pants. I'm just folding everything so I can go ahead and put it in their bins.
Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die. That we would come to this. That we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help.
So I'm about to knock out the little bit of dishes that was in the sink. I'm using the Dawn dish detergent. I feel like nothing compares to Dawn. You don't have to use that much, and just a little goes a long way. So I really love Dawn. And lately I have been trying to stay on top of the dishes. I just can't do that whole sink full of dishes thing anymore. It takes up too much of my time, and it's just something that I really can't stand doing. So I really have been staying on top of dishes. After that, y'all will see me move on to the stove. I did use the Clorox all-purpose cleaner, and then I used the pink stuff. So I did also use a different sponge. It looks like the same sponge, but it's a different sponge. And then also y'all will see me use a oven cleaner to go ahead and spray in the oven, and I let that sit so I can go ahead and clean that out as well.
If only you could see me now. If only you could tell me why you disappeared, you made me cry. So don't come back. Oh, you never took the time to say. You didn't think you should explain. Like I don't care, you're kidding me. Don't do that. Oh.
So as y'all can see, the kids was driving me crazy. I'm over like trying to have the content so perfect. This is real life. Mama is potty training. That's why she's running around in a pamper. Sometimes I put her in a pamper. Sometimes she's in underwear. Sometimes she's in a pull-up. It just depends. But yeah, this day she was in a pamper with no pants, just so it could be easier for her to go to the bathroom. So while that oven cleaner was sitting, I did go ahead and move on to the fridge. So I didn't want to do the oven, and I didn't want to do the fridge this day. I had to literally push myself to do it. So let this be motivating to y'all to go ahead and do something that y'all have been putting off. But I wanted to make sure the fridge was clean because we was about to order some groceries. In the oven, I just was like, you know what, it needed to be clean. So I went ahead and pushed myself. I did fill up the sink with some hot water, and then I added a little bit of the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaner to go ahead and clean the fridge out. So after that, I'm going ahead and I'm using a sponge to scrub as much as I could, and then I'm using the microfiber cloth to go ahead and wipe everything out. And this is how it was looking. Yeah, so it was some burnt food. I really do suggest that oven cleaner. It works good. I sprayed this on a cold oven and let it sit for maybe whatever the time was of me cleaning the fridge, which wasn't that long, and it got all the burnt food and things up. So that oven cleaner works really good.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast.
So anytime I am straightening up in the kitchen, if I see that the cat's bowls need to be refilled, I go ahead and rinse them out and refill them. So I've seen this lady on YouTube when she was cleaning, she stacked her chairs on top of her table. And ever since I seen her do that and I did it, it's like I can't not stack the kids' chairs on their table now. It's just something about it just makes me feel like the kitchen is cleaner. I don't know what it is, but it just, so sometimes when you're like cleaning, it's fun to do like something different that you don't usually do, because when you clean it can get repetitive. So stacking them chairs, it just does something for me, and it's something so simple, but I really just love stacking their chairs now.
You're like the wind, you're like a butterfly, need to be seen. You always.
So we are on to the last area of the house, which is the porch. This is where the cat spends most of her time. So the litter box was on the porch first, and then she started sleeping near her litter box, so I just put her bed where she sleeps at. So we are towards the end of this video, y'all. I really do hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all made it all the way towards the end, comment down below a red heart so I can know that y'all are here. And I appreciate y'all so much, and I hope to see y'all in my next one.
As long as you're here, as long as I know you fly back to me. But it's okay now, as long as you're here, as long as I know you fly back to me. You're like a dream.